Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about magnifying glasses. And why I'm back in here next to the wood pile, because hey, sometimes I get in a hurry and I forget to put my gloves on before I start feeding the fire, and I get a splinter. And you know, as you can see, I wear readers, cheaters, and trying to see a splinter sometimes is getting harder and harder. And so I have a magnifying glass. Well, the problem is, if I'm trying to work the magnifying glass here to see whatever's in my the splinter in my hand, well, this hand's occupied with the splinter, this one's occupied with the magnifying glass. I can't. I need a third hand to get it out. I also picked up a bunch of these up at Harbor Freight. They're great. You just set it on the table, and you can adjust it, and then you just put your finger underneath it, and then you have your other hand free with the tweezers to pull it out. So this is one. I don't have any affiliation with Harbor Freight. I don't get any kickback from them, but they got some great little gadgets there to help out preppers and homesteaders, and this is one of them. Now, one of the other things to do too is keep an eye out on little magnifying glasses for the kids or grandkids. Get that, it teaches them to understand, like, oh wow, I can make things bigger, I can see things better. And it makes them appreciate the more expensive magnifying glasses you have around, so they don't paw them and drop them and break them. They have their own little ones to play with. All right? So, final words here. Actually, a bunch of final words. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicine, skills, tools like magnifying glasses. And I'm going to put a video up here that you will find interesting, and I'll put a playlist down here. I'll put another video over here, and I'll put the link to my gardening and homesteading channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, right up here.